Okay, so now you've got an understanding on your dashboard and you kind of can see where these go. What we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to edit your front page. So we're going to go hover over pages and we're going to click on all pages. There's only one page because yours is a one-page website. So what you're going to do is you just hover over and we're going to click edit with Elementor. Now this loading time does depend on the speed of your internet. Okay, so there we go. This is your website, and as you can see, I just hover over things. I'm not clicking, you just hover over things and the little icons appear. Okay, so as you can see, we've got different sections of your website. So if we go from the top, we've got, this is what I class as a header, then this is your menu, then this is your banner with your logo, then we just got some call out functions here with images behind, then it's your gallery, and then it's another call out function, and then your contact section. Okay, so I'm just going to break this down in sections for you. First things first is Elementor is a drag and drop feature. So as you can see, you can drag and drop items around. You can add things very simply to your websites, but I'm just going to give you a quick rundown. On your left hand side, you'll see this is the Elementor widget bar. And those elements in the back end, in your previous video, you'll see some Elementor add-ons. This is them. So all you're going to do is, let's say, for example, let's add a text section. You just got to drag it and you'll place it. You can see that dark blue line is where it's going to be positioned. So you can just drag it in there. You can type in anything you want. Hello, Louis, I hope you are well. Now, as you can see, it's kind of pushed to the left here and in grey. We don't want that. So what you can do is under your, there's 3 tabs here, content, style, and advanced. You click on style. There is your text color. So we'll do this. Obviously, we would like it white so it stands out. And then your typography. If you click here, now this is where you can change the size of it. As you can see there, you can change the weight, like how bold it is. Okay, you can even change the font. There you go. So you can change the line height. You can change the letter spacing. Okay. So as you can see, it is quite a simple procedure to add a text box. I'm just going to delete this one. Okay, so let's come to your logo here. This is your logo. What we used was, I used an image bar, an image widget, which if you click this Rubik's Cube, you'll see is literally just this widget here. So I used this one and I selected your image by literally just clicking on it, and it brought up all your images. Okay, and to edit it, what I did was I clicked on style again, and then I can just use the however way I want it to work. Yeah, you can go around and play with it. You can change the occupancy of it. Okay. So there, then you come down to the next section. Oh, sorry, we'll come to the background of this. So you're going to click on this blue tab here, and you'll go to style, and there is your background there. So we'll just change it, insert that one. As you'll see, it's changed. Then you can change the position of it if you want, bottom center, so they can see more of it. Let's just take the background overlay off a little bit. So we can just change this one to drag it. See, like that. And there you go. You've just added a new image and changed the overlay. Same thing applies to all of these rows. If you click on here, you go to style. There is a color rather than an image. There is your text box. Instead of using the text, we use the header one, so I'll just explain the header one. So it's just again another widget you pull in, you'll drag, and we'll just type here and we'll call it Hello Louis. Hello Louis, and then again you click on alignment, we'll put it in the middle, click on style, change the color to white so it stands out. We go to the typography, come here, change it to, I was working with this font yesterday, that's why I remember it. There we go, we can change the size. So it's again the same features. Okay. So we'll just delete this one here. There we go. Again, this is the same aspect as this. The only difference is that instead of using a background, which is this color here, I just used an image. That was all it was. And the title, this was a text editor. But again, the same thing applies. This is another row that we've used, but the background is white. But with this one here, we used our work as a heading one. It's a heading widget. This is your gallery, so we'll just right click and go edit advanced image gallery, and as you can see here are your images here. Okay, so to edit it, what you'll do is you'll just click this little pencil, sorry, click there, and then there are all your images. You can reposition them any way you want, as you can see there. So you can do that. You can add to gallery, so we'll just add this guy for example. There we go, we can put him at the front. We can edit the gallery, we can cancel gallery, we can reverse the order if we want to, and we just click insert gallery, and you'll see that that guy that we've added will now be there, as you can see. But let's just take him out because we know he's not meant to be there. Okay, so that's how you edit your gallery. You come down here, as you can see here, this is your row. Again, it's just a black row with a heading on. This is another row underneath, your contact form. As you can see, we've got it pointing to Louis Bester at 3. If you wanted to add more fields, you can just add another field, call it email, and just put the placeholder as email. And there you go, as you can see, we can make the width 50%. So what I like about this is, for example, what we could do, and I'll just show you, we could go on the phone 50%, on the email 50%. So now you can see it just looks a little bit nicer like that. See, so, and then the button at the bottom, you can click here, we can put that in the middle. We can change the message to whatever we want. You know, here are your social media icons. These you need to set up. So what you'll do is, to get these going, you'll go to your Facebook page, you'll copy your link, which this is a link, you'll copy that, and then you'll simply just paste it in there. If you don't have Instagram or Twitter or YouTube, or you can just delete them. If you want to add one, let's say you've got Pinterest, you click, let's just show you, sorry, I did it a bit quick. Click add item, you click on the image there, and then you can just search. So we'll type in Pinterest, there you go there, insert, and there you'll see now you've got Pinterest, and then same thing applies, you'll just put your link in there, and that's it. That's how you edit your basic front page. I'm going to create another video now on how to edit this section here, which is what we call header.